Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here. This Diwali, let's create a DIY which is budget friendly. Outline the circle using any circular thing, and we will be doing two lines, one outer line and one inner line. Using something wooden or your back of any thick copy, use as a base, and then using a craft knife cut the inner side of the circle, or even you can use a scissor. To give curve to the cardboard, what you can do, you just use any cylinder thing and just wrap it around and it will give you a nice curve, or you can just fold it like any way. Apply glue on the cardboard strip full, and then taking two circles, holding it together at one point and giving a gap beneath. You can secure this using a cello tape and let it dry. Now it's dry. Now using a craft knife, I am trimming the edges just exactly equally, and then I'll be using the scissor to cut it whole. This looks like a cute basket. Apply glue nicely over the cardboard circles, and instead of sprinkling the sparkle, we will press the cardboard over the sparkles. And once it dries out, then we will dab out the extra glitters. I am doing one area at a time so that the glitter covers it properly. Here I have some artificial plant. So what I'm going to do, the gap in the circle which we have, we will put Fevicol, or you can even use a glue gun, and just apply it, and the edges you just put the plants, and in the middle we will put the tea light. You can even use any handmade roses or any artificial flower if you want to add some more. tying the golden thread on the top, the thin side. You can even make a hole and you can then tie it, but I like it like this. Finishing off with the tea light. Hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave your valuable feedback and press the bell icon for the notification of a new video. Thank you so much. Stay connected.